What's your darkest family moment that no one talks about anymore? My cousin Tommy weighed nearly 300 pounds by 8th grade. Kids at school were brutal about it, but at family gatherings, we never mentioned his size. He was just Tommy, the gentle giant who helped my grandma with her garden and always let us pick the movies. One Friday night, we were all at my aunt's house for our weekly family dinner. Tommy was in his usual spot on the floor, playing Mario Kart, while our 17-year-old cat, Whiskers, slept in his favorite sunny patch nearby. Whiskers was ancient. We'd had him longer than I'd been alive. My little brother came sprinting through with a new remote control car, showing it off to everyone. The car zipped under Tommy's legs just as he was getting up to grab more pizza. I still remember everything in slow motion. Tommy stumbling, arms waving, then falling backward. The crunch was so soft, most people didn't hear it, but I did. Whiskers didn't make a sound. The whole room went dead quiet. Even the TV seemed to fade away. Tommy just sat there, pale as a ghost, whispering, "No, no, no," over and over. My dad moved fast, wrapping Whiskers in his favorite blanket while my mom hustled us kids into the kitchen. Through the doorway, I could see Tommy sobbing, my aunt trying to console him. That blanket never came back. We got rid of all of Whiskers' things that night. His bed, toys, food bowls, everything disappeared like he never existed. It's been 6 years, and Tommy still won't come to family dinners. Some mistakes you can't take back, no matter how much you wish you could.